Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Contabo VPS for cost-effective server management, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. Begin by visiting the Contabo website. Look for the VPS section in the main menu. Click on the VPS option to explore available plans. Review the different VPS hosting plans they offer. Select the plan that best suits your needs and budget. Click on the Order Now button for your chosen plan. You will be directed to a configuration page. Customize your VPS settings according to your requirements. Choose the operating system you wish to install. Select the amount of RAM and storage you need. Next, scroll down to review the options for additional features. You may select options such as backups or IP addresses. Once you have configured your server, click on Continue. Create a new account by entering your email and password. Fill in your personal details in the registration form. Provide a valid billing address for the account. Choose your preferred payment method from the available options. Enter your payment details accurately. Review the order summary to ensure everything is correct. If satisfied, agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Order button to finalize your registration. Once your order is processed, check your email for confirmation. Follow the instructions provided in the email to access your VPS. Log into your Contabo account to manage your server. Explore the control panel to familiarize yourself with its features. Now, your Contabo VPS is ready for setup and use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.